Have you ever wondered how to earn money online with minimal effort? What if you could make cash while doing virtually nothing? That's right, we're not talking about complex schemes or endless hours of work. In today's video, we will unveil the top 7 lazy ways to make money online, just by doing what you love or doing nothing at all. Intrigued? Then stick around, and if you find this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. Let's embark on this journey of effortless earnings together. Number 7, voice your opinion. Ready to make money by simply giving your opinion? Many companies will pay for your thoughts on their products and services. This is a key part of their market research. One easy way to start is by joining online survey platforms. For instance, Swagbucks offers up to $35 per survey and even gives a $10 bonus for signing up. Survey Junkie allows you to earn up to $100 a month by taking just a few surveys daily. Other platforms like Cashback and Inbox Dollars also offer opportunities to earn money by completing surveys. Inbox Dollars provides a $5 sign-up bonus. Diving deeper, participating in focus groups and engaging in paid market research can prove even more lucrative, offering an average compensation ranging from $50 to $150 per hour. Platforms such as user interviews constantly introduce thousands of new studies monthly, providing compensation for online and over-the-phone interviews in the same range. Another notable platform, Respondent, specializes in one-on-one market research interviews, predominantly conducted online or over the phone, offering an average payout exceeding $100 per hour. If you have a keen interest in medical research, consider Rare Patient Voice, which compensates patients and caregivers with an impressive $120 per hour for participation in studies, typically conducted via phone or webcam interviews. Number 6, scan your shopping receipts. Turning your shopping habits into a money-making venture is surprisingly simple. By using cashback apps like Ibotta, you can earn money back on your regular purchases. Here's how it works. After you shop, scan your receipts with the app, and you'll receive cashback for eligible items. Ibotta provides cashback offers for both in-store and online shopping, encompassing a wide range of items. You can refer friends and family to boost your earnings, earning an extra $5 for each person who signs up using your referral. This approach to earning is effortless and integrates seamlessly into your everyday life. It's a smart way to make your shopping receipts work for you, converting routine purchases into a source of extra income. By consistently using cashback apps like Ibotta, you can accumulate significant money over time, all from purchases you would make anyway. Number 5, online content creation. In the flourishing realm of online content creation, a diverse range of monetization avenues beckons. Over 2 million creators earn their livelihood on platforms such as YouTube, Spotify, and iTunes, where audiences consume over 1 billion hours of content daily. These creators tap into various income streams, teaching courses on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, offering unique, exclusive content on Patreon, selling art on Etsy, and merchandising on sites like Bonfire. They also monetize through subscriptions for premium content, stock photo and video sales, branded sponsorships, public appearances, content syndication, affiliate marketing, donations, direct advertising, and social media promotions. Each method allows content creators to transform their passion and expertise into profitable ventures. Number 4, AI-generated movie recaps. Creating AI-generated movie recaps combines the excitement of film with technology innovation, appealing to movie enthusiasts and tech-savvy individuals. For this, Jasper, previously known as Jarvis, stands out as an ideal tool. It's a highly advanced AI writer, capable of producing short and long-form content, including movie reviews and recaps, in under 5 minutes. You start by feeding Jasper details like the movie title, desired tone, and key data points, upon which it composes engaging content. It's equipped with features such as a long-form editor and sentence expander, enhancing the quality and appeal of your reviews. By leveraging such AI tools for movie recaps, you can tap into a niche market, offering a unique blend of technology and film analysis, suitable for sharing on platforms like YouTube, blogs, and social media, with monetization opportunities through various methods like direct advertising, affiliate marketing, and collaborations. Number 3. High-ticket YouTube automations. High-ticket YouTube automation is a lucrative approach to earning on the platform, focusing on high CPM, cost-per-mile niches, and quality content to attract a premium audience. The process involves creating automated content that doesn't require you to appear on camera. For instance, you can use free stock videos from sites like Pixabay or Pexels and enhance them with audio or text overlays. For those seeking a wider range of content options, consider exploring subscription-based services like Storyblocks. These platforms provide a rich library of diverse videos to enhance your creative projects. These versatile tools open up exciting possibilities for content creation without requiring advanced technical skills. Monetizing these channels typically starts with ad revenue through the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the criteria of 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Affiliate marketing is another potential strategy. This involves promoting products relevant to your content and earning commissions. You can find affiliate products on platforms like ClickBank or Digistore24 or through Amazon Associates for physical products. As your channel grows, selling digital products like courses or ebooks becomes viable, and sponsorships can add a significant revenue stream. Number 2. Cashstars.com. Cashstars.com provides an effortless way to earn money online by completing simple tasks. This platform lets you earn by watching videos, playing games, and promoting offers. First, sign up on their website and provide basic information like your name and email address. Once registered, you can browse and choose from various tasks. These tasks are beginner-friendly, requiring no special skills or experience. As you complete tasks, you accumulate earnings. The more tasks you finish, the more you earn. Cashstars.com offers a flexible platform where you can work at your own pace and earn extra cash from the comfort of your home, making it an ideal side hustle for those seeking easy and accessible ways to make money online. Warning: one major concern we have is the low review score this site has on Trustpilot. For that reason, this would not be our first place to start. If you would like us to investigate this site and provide more information, let us know in the comments. Number 1. Virestock.io. Virestock.io is a platform that harnesses the power of AI to allow artists to create and sell unique and stunning AI-generated images. With AI becoming increasingly popular in the art world, platforms like generative adversarial networks, GANs, DALL-E by OpenAI, and Pixel Painter by PaintsChainer provide tools for artists to create diverse artworks. These AI-generated artworks can be legally sold, provided they are original and do not infringe on existing copyrights. Before selling, ensure your content is legally compliant and does not perpetuate harmful stereotypes or offensive materials. To sell AI artwork effectively, it's important to research the market to understand what types of images are popular and in demand. Providing context and background information about your AI-generated content can educate potential buyers and increase the perceived value of your work. Choosing the right platform for selling is crucial, as different platforms cater to different niches and audiences. Platforms like Wirestock offer access to large marketplaces like Adobe Stock, Alamy, and more. Presenting your work professionally, optimizing it for search engines, and engaging with potential buyers are other key steps to successfully selling AI artwork. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed discovering these effortless ways to make money online, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more insightful videos on money-making strategies and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.